Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for United States and limited data. So planning a trip to the United States and need reliable internet without worrying about running out of data. In this video we will look at one of the best options for unlimited mobile data in the USA. So before we get started, you will need to click the link, of course, in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. So eSIM offers unlimited data eSIM plans for the United States. So at first you will need just to go with the countries here and then just find the United States, right, and tap on it. So as I told you, eSIM offers unlimited data eSIM plans for the United States, with options ranging from short stays to longer trips, just right here on the number of the days. And of course, you can install the eSIM before your trip and activate it when you arrive in that, what I'm going to show you in the end of the video, whether you're using an iPhone, an iOS device, or an Android device. And only then, so you can get connected without having to search for a physical SIM card. So depending on your location, eSIM can provide 4G, the LTE, or 5G connectivity through its partner network. So its US plans are data only, meaning you can keep your regular SIM for calls and texts while using eSIM for mobile data. So if you're trying or going to stay for a week in the USA, you will need to go with the 7 days plan or unlimited plan. Even you can go with more days and then just go to the checkout, right? So select your plan. So for example, I will go with the 30 days, 20 gigabytes, and then I will go with the checkout. So here you can go and choose a payment method from these ones, and if you are going to say for longer than 30 days or a month, you can go and enable that option as well, and then just go with pay, right? There are several more payment methods as well, so you only just type here and you will, or they will be visible to you, and then you can choose one of them, of course, and then go with pay and follow the prompt. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM app on your iPhone device. So actually guys, as first you will need to go to the eSIM page and then just tap on install eSIM, alright? So that's the option, and then you will need to go and select the eSIM plan or the primary, so it's up to you. And if you want to start, it says right here, using the plan immediately, you will need to make sure that eSIM profile is turned on. So you will need to turn on that option, turn on the line and the data roaming. Of course guys, you can add the eSIM by QR or scanning QR code, so you can go with add data plan and then just use the QR code and scan that one and you will get the app. So now guys, we are going with the Samsung or the Android devices. So you will need to go to the eSIM page or eSIM page and then just go with the eSIM installation right here, tap it, and then you will need to go to the help right here. You will find it bottom right and tap on eSIM installation, this option, right? And now just go with install, and the steps are similar. So you will need just to go to settings and enable the data roaming as we did before on the iPhone or the iOS devices, right? And of course you will need to go to the SIM card manager and then go with add mobile plan and scan the QR code, and that's only for the second method, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.